This is my YouTube journey from 0 to 1000. Then suddenly my subs got stuck at 21. I became demotivated and decided to leave YouTube. These videos got no views. After some time I decided to join YouTube again. I uploaded videos.
1 year later,
Finally, I got my first viral video. I again motivated and upload regular videos. My second video got viral and got 400,000 views. These videos also got viral. And my subs start increasing. Thanks for 1K subs. Never demotivate and stay focused on what you're doing, and success will be in your hands. Make sure to share this video and like. Bye bye.